This is what you find in your starter pack. The basic components required for the unit to function are the mask in 3 sizes: small, medium and large. Blower. Filter. Harness for keeping the mask in place. Charger. Optional chin protector. And the manual. Charge the blower with the included battery charger. Before each and every use, a seal check and fit test must be performed without the blower. First of all, check if the mask fits. Cover both holes with the manual. Ensure that the sticker is firmly seated on the mask. Take a deep breath. The mask will push onto your face. You will not be able to breathe in while the mask is over your head. Remove the manual and you can breathe again. Before you use the Tiki Respirator, always calibrate the blower unit. Press the light button and the power button for 5 seconds until 2 red lights flash. When you assemble your Tiki Respirator, insert the blower unit into the mask. Turn the filter 30 degrees clockwise. Put on the harness. Snap all 5 clips on the mask. The harness is easily adjusted. Attach the optional chin protector if needed. Slide the mask over your head. Tighten the straps until a comfortable fit is achieved. Have a secondary person check the mask for leaks, like unwanted hair or incorrectly fitted mask. Start the Tiki Respirator by pressing the power button. A warning system check must be performed before each and every use. Lift the mask a couple of centimeters until the warning alarm sounds. Put the mask back onto your face and the alarm should stop. To turn on the light, press the light button. Now the light is on. The light does not affect the battery life significantly. When one LED lights, the Tiki is ready to use. When one LED lights and one is flashing, and it emits a sound every 5 seconds, the blower indicates that the battery is low. If 2 lights are flashing and it emits a sound every second, check if there is a major leak causing a negative pressure in the mask. Otherwise, change the filter. To get longer battery life, there is an external battery. Before you insert the plug, align the 3 pins for the corresponding holes. Insert the plug, turn clockwise until firmly secured. It's in place. Lock the battery cable in the harness. Remove the red sticker before you plug in. Align the 3 pins for the corresponding holes. Turn clockwise to secure it's in place. Attach the battery to your belt. If it is cold outside, put the battery inside your jacket for longer battery life. When the mask is dirty, it's easy to replace. To replace the mask, remove the filter and pull out the blower unit. Take a new mask and insert the blower into the mask and attach the filter 30 degrees counterclockwise. Now you are ready to use your Tiki Respirator.